Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do voiceover to a video on CapCut PC. So in CapCut PC, after you import a video, you can just click on these buttons right here, this microphone icon to do the voiceover. So when you click on this, there will be a pop-up menu to record the voiceover that you want. And here there are a few settings that you can change. You can change the input device. You can also adjust the volume of the voiceover. If you want to make it loud, just go slide it to the right. But if you want to make it uh like whispering or something, you can just lower the voices right here. And then if you want to reduce the echo, you can just click on this. And if you want to put the project sound, the original, just click on this checkbox on mute project. And after you're done with your setting, start recording, just click on the red button here, and it will be countdowning like this. And after that, your voice will be recorded in here. And to stop it, just click on the red button here, and your audio or your voiceover will be saved automatically. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this will be helpful to you. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, remember to click like, thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in. Bye.